We're following a developing story about star Canadian swimmer Penny Oleksiak. She is now suspended for 2 years from competition for violating doping testing rules multiple times within the last year. The CBC's Hilary Johnstone is here with the details. And Hilary, this may be something that folks are unfamiliar with in terms of why this suspension is taking place.
That's right, because she's not accused here, Andrew, of using a banned substance. Instead, she has been accused and has now been sanctioned for violating the whereabouts rule. So let's go through a little bit of this because, of course, this is very consequential for 25-year-old Penny Oleksiak, who is Canada's most decorated female Olympian. Back in the summer, she had announced that she was going to be voluntarily withdrawing from the World Aquatics Championships because this file had been opened when she had been accused of violating the whereabouts rules. What that means is that for athletes who are part of the World Anti-Doping Agency's drug testing program, which athletes at this level are part of, selected athletes have to provide a daily, every single day, a 60-minute availability window. They have to provide that 90 days in advance to the agency so that they can be tested no matter where they are in the world. They need to make sure that their whereabouts are known. If you are found to have violated this 3 times within a 12-month period, you then might be facing this suspension, which Penny Oleksiak now is. So this is going to be in place for 2 years. According to the agency, the International Testing Agency, which has handed down the suspension, they say that Oleksiak has accepted this as well. It means that she will not be able to compete starting from July 15th of 2025, which of course passed a couple of months ago, up until July the 14th of 2027. It also means that all her competitive results obtained from June the 16th of 2025, again, a couple of months ago, will be disqualified, including the forfeiture of medals, points, and prizes. It is for that reason that she had voluntarily withdrawn from the World Aquatics Championships back in this summer, because she was concerned that if something like this happened, it could impact her teammates and some of their results as well. So she has always maintained that she's a clean athlete, Andrew. She is not being accused here of using banned substances. Instead, she is accused and has now been suspended for violating these whereabouts rules because she did not provide her whereabouts in a timely fashion in accordance with the rules as she's expected to do at least 3 times within a 12-month period. Now facing this very lengthy suspension. And like I say, Canada's most decorated female Olympian, won medals in Rio, won medals in Tokyo, and looking forward to the LA Games in 2028. How will this impact whether or not she competes? We'll have to see, but certainly big news here.
She would be able to compete because the suspension
technically
ends.
She would no longer be part of that suspension. How this impacts her career, we'll have to see.
Remains to be seen. Hilary, thank you.
Thank
CBC's
you.
Hilary Johnstone.